Hey, what's up everyone? It's Alicia and I'm excited because I'm gonna do something a little different today. I am going to be making my very first herb garden with mason jars. I don't have an outside area and I don't have the best lighting at my building, so I don't really have a green thumb per se. Everything I have dies. The last I had orchids and I guess I drowned them, I overwatered them. Yeah, I've been looking it up and it seems like herbs are pretty simple to grow. My parents have a garden and I've always wanted one. We had a garden when we were growing up as well, and I grew corn. That was like the thing that I wanted to grow. So I don't know, I just figured right now would be a great time to start. What better time than now? I watched Ace Ventura last night. So I went shopping and got all my stuff, and it's also quarantine if you're watching this in current times. So things are a little different. So yeah, let's just see how that went. So the roads are pretty clear. I'm feeling good about my excursion. I'm feeling like it's gonna be an empty store. It's still weird seeing people walk around with masks. What's even more weird is people who drive with the masks on. Those are like the people who stand up on the airplane right when it goes ding. Like, where are you going? Where are you going? Nowhere. Anywho, I have been trying to figure out this whole glove thing. To glove or not to glove. Because the cross-contamination and everything like that, it's... ugh. So my friend has a theory that if you wear a glove on one hand and do all your shopping with the one hand and leave one hand ungloved so you could do your phone, your keys, stuff like that, paying. So I'm gonna try and do this with the one hand. All right, so I just got to the dollar store and we got some early birds here. I'm going in. Not yet. I'm gonna like mask up and stuff. Mask off. Too soon? I definitely thought that was gonna be more, you know, like the snap. All right, well, that was uneventful. Doubled up. Ugh. Maybe hoops weren't a good idea. Let's try this again. What is life? Got stuck in my hoop. Oh, another car just parked. What is life? Well, the hoops don't work with masks, so let's do this again. All right, here I go. Oh, whoa, bro. It's honestly just fun being in a store right now. I haven't been anywhere. Honestly, I was shooketh with all the gardening stuff they had here. I had no idea they had self-watering pots, hose, clippers, just everything you could think of, really. I mean, as far as the quality, I mean, only time will tell. And I got these flowers, man. I didn't even know that they had those. I was debating between those two for a while, but you'll see what I did. And I couldn't decide if I wanted English or France. Yeah, throw out the trash, y'all. Whoa. So the one glove idea was a hit. That worked out really well, actually. I kept my phone in this hand no matter what. I'm really happy about that. Okay. But my fanny pack, I have the gloves in one and my mask. Gloves and mask in one pocket, and then the other pocket is like my keys and my wallet. What is life? Chipotle is my life.
Chipotle is my life.
I found one. I found a masker in the car. Sanitize my hands. Walk across the street, mask on, bank. You have to be, we are a part of history. This is insane. I feel like I haven't been outside forever. This is just an alternate reality of my reality, okay? That's all this is. I am actually really excited about how many things I got at the Dollar Tree. What? Turn up. Bruh. Home Depot is packed. This is like a club. An exclusive club with a lot of DIY stuff. Fail. So obnoxious. I cannot believe this. You know, if it was not quarantine, I would not be waiting in this line. You take for granted a lot of things in life, and I've never been so excited to come to Home Depot. I don't even know if I've ever been to Home Depot by myself. It's like an adult store. This exclusive line. You guys, it was seriously like a club. And then I saw the line across moving and I was like, wait, hold up, is that VIP over there? And this guy goes to the velvet rope up front talking about he knows the guy inside and let him go at his table. And it worked. He really got in. Well done. And the hardest part I would say is using one hand to steer the cart. Quick break. But they had a lot of choices. Some are better than others. So let me go get my Ron Finley on, yeah? So the supplies. So the supplies you need is, of course, a mason jar or whatever potting material you want. You want rocks, which I forgot to buy. So I just walked around my apartment. I'm gonna walk around. There's like this potting thing that they have, and they had a lot of rocks, and they're perfect. I mean, come on. You're also gonna need potting soil, and you want a potting soil that's loamy. It's basically silt and sand and a little bit of clay mixed together. That's kind of like the perfect planting soil that you want. I got these flowers from the 99-cent store because I didn't realize how much awesome stuff that the Dollar Tree had. So I'm just like curious as to how these would grow. So we'll see. And then of course you want to have your seedlings for your herbs. I was gonna get the seeds, but I don't know. I didn't want to wait. I just wanted them to already kind of be alive. So yes, I got some rosemary, cilantro, parsley, spearmint, and basil. There's a list of herbs that are compatible together, so I'll try and keep those ones closer to each other and see how that works. So first thing you want to do is put rocks at the bottom of this, because since there's no holes, you need a draining system where the excess water could go. That's what I didn't realize, that plants can drown. Ooh, what is that? These are just some prime beautiful rocks. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you want to fill it up 1/3 of the way. That's kind of how I do my finances, you know? I organize them in thirds. You guys should try it. It's a great idea. Then I got my handy dandy shovel. Ding! Let's see. I put like a trash bag lining on the floor so that my floor wouldn't get dirty. So you're gonna want to fill this 1/3 of the way. I would say that. All right, so I'm gonna do peppermint first. But first I want to show you. You want your soil to be able to hold the shape of it, but still be able to move. So I don't know. That's that. Bruh, I have gloves and I'm not using them. Okay, so take that out, and you kind of just want to hold that and squeeze it out. Oh, there she is. Oh my goodness. You just kind of want to massage the bottom and open it so that these roots can breathe. Pull them a little bit. Oh my goodness. You could take a little bit out of the bottom. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And you're gonna wanna stick it in. Whoa, bro. Oh wow, how awesome. So get it really snug-a-dug. Oh my goodness. Smells good, looks good. Oh, my little baby. Cute. And then for at least right now, I'll just stick this back in so that I know which one is which. Awesome. How cute. You guys, I'm in love with this already. Man, I got hot. I put my hair up. So this is a different container, as you can see, but I also got it from the Dollar Tree, but it also doesn't have a draining system. That's basically the whole purpose of the rocks. I'm not sure if I said that. It's basically for all the excess water. It just gives it a place to go so that so that the roots don't rot basically in the water. Perfect. Okay, so this one is so different. I didn't even realize what it is, but basically you plant it in this pot, I guess. But then I'm just gonna take off the bottom. Let's see. That's just so weird. I'm gonna rip off the top. I don't like that. That's super weird. No. Whatever. Oh, there's a piece of tree. I'll stick it in there for good luck. I'm so glad I put this trash bag down. This is messy. But you cute. Now I gotta come up with names for all my plants. Ugh. Mary. She could be Mary. I like that. Mary's cute. Mary's super cute. I love this. It's the little things in life, you know? So this one is 100% just an experiment. I got these flowers from the 99-cent store, and I'm just curious to see if they actually grow. Let's see. Let me just, you know what? Okay. We'll do that. Which ones do I want? Yeah, these are huge. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. I still have to plant this. This one could go with here. This is the basil. I feel like I gave it too much sun. I burnt it. It said direct heat. Full sun for 6+ hours, but it definitely looks like it got burned. If these really like become beautiful, I'm going to die. Oh, you little cuties. These are Zinnia. I'm gonna keep that name. I feel like that sounds like a name. I don't need a name. These are called zinnias. Ooh, she cute. I feel like this needs to go down deeper, deeper. I would have never bought as many rocks as I used today, so I'm glad my apartment building has rocks in abundance. Hopefully no one calls the manager on me. The apartment police. Okay. Basil. Sweet basil. Boop. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna water them, and you wanna water them more than you think you would because this soil is virgin soil, like it's never been wet, so you really wanna make sure that it's really wet. So you'll put in more water than you would think. Oh, it's overflowing. This is the only thing I'm worried about. No, cilantro. If I bring that to life, then I have fully redeemed myself of all of my plant killing I've done in the past. Oh, this is so cute. This poor basil's burnt. It's like when I go to Vegas and go to the pool parties and I come back, ooh, ooh wee. But you know, I turn into a beautiful bronzy golden color. So I'm gonna have faith for this. This, we'll see. It should have flowers, and the basil should come back. Oh, I could hear it draining. I hear it draining through the rocks. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you plant some plants during this quarantine. I'll keep you guys posted on the life of my plants. If you know of any plants that are really good in low light to no light, holla at your girl, because I'm trying to have a forest, a jungle, a garden, my new little babies. So until next time, hope you enjoy. Bye, bye, bye.